Ooh, my hair is fucked up, but it is a hot day today. Every single day has been like 32 degrees plus every single day here. And I'm here at this road because you might recognize this place. I think we were here in this exact same spot. Yep. On the night when we drank here in Guiyang. What's up? Piss up. Those mini cars over there. And that's where I would take a piss. And this is the main road looking off the shit. But I was here earlier with Kaide the other night. And do you recognize these mini cars where these are all bars, all these mini cars, old bars. Way more quiet during the daytime, not much going on. It's just these kind of small street vendors on the side selling their very typical Chinese street food, snacks, not even food. And I'm here walking in the sun because I'm torturing myself. No, I'm just kidding. I'm walking to find some food first of all, but I'm also walking to this main square area, like a very big main park that Guiyang is known for. I remember going there as a kid and I'm keen to go have a look and see what's changed. But I haven't ventured past this part. We caught the Uber there that night, somewhere around that corner, and now I'm walking to the park. And now it's just straight for like 10 minutes and we're at the kind of park looking thing. I don't even know if you can call it a park because it's like a giant square and I honestly can't even remember. My memory is foggy. It's nice that we're in shade right now, but damn, it's hot. And it's like, I wish you guys could step foot through the camera, through the lens, and feel the heat, bro, because this ain't no New Zealand heat. This shit is like a post-apocalyptic heat, you know what I mean? It is bad, but everyone here is used to it. I was talking to my uncle was like, oh yeah, these are pretty average days because this is the average temperature here. And the place we're going to after this, Chongqing, it's quite loud. Chongqing, the cyberpunk city, as the world knows it, is way hotter. He said it hits like 40 degrees Celsius. It's gonna feel like probably double as hot as this, and I can't even my mind can't even comprehend like what that's gonna feel like. And then the reason why it's so hot is because my uncle was explaining to me that Chongqing is kind of built on like a ditch, so all the heat just gets trapped in, and that's why it's so hot. I think we're crossing over that side, so we're gonna go down the underpass. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a Guiyang underpass before, but essentially every single underpass here, or like 90% of them, they'll have these mini stores, and these underpasses, they're very confusing because there's obviously no English and I can't read Chinese, so this one's very easy though. Oh, we can't even go up that way because we need to go across the road. So there's these stores in the underpass, and I don't know if I've seen anything like it before. And it's not just like two stores, it's like literally a whole underground mall in a way. But this one was pretty easy. This one was get out easy. And it kind of goes all the way down there as well. But we made it, we didn't get lost. And I'm not sure what I want to eat for lunch today, to be honest. So I guess if we see anything cool, we'll just eat it. And I just had a coffee just before I turned the camera on. I had a little coconut latte, and that was pretty fucking good. Like the lattes I've had in Shenzhen, they weren't too good. But here, that coconut latte I had, that was pretty solid. That was pretty solid work. I was pretty happy with that. Again, they use like Chinese milk, so it tastes a bit different, but this milk wasn't too bad. And oh, I think this is the square. Yeah, this is where the aunties and uncles and grandmas and granddads, they come to dance. And this is literally the square. I don't remember it being like this, to be honest. I don't remember that area anymore. And they're here dancing. It's looking like some Chinese salsa, I'm not sure. They're really doing a full dance lesson here. And I feel like this is what they do in their retirement. So I feel like this is literally what people do in their retirement, because when you retire in China, the average person, when you retire, you're stuck in the city for the rest of your life. You can't leave because you don't have enough money to leave. And what do you do for the rest of your life in your city, right? You gotta just find some things to have fun, to pass time, to still enjoy yourself. And a lot of these grandmas and granddads, they kind of take on dancing as a lesson. And this is, I don't know what kind of dancing this is, but he's definitely learning and the grandma's teaching him. I remember when I was a kid, this whole area used to be an actual park, but I guess they turned it into kind of like a, what to describe it, like a little artificial park. It's very bright as well. Oh yeah, so this is very interesting. Let's, I guess, explore it. There's not much people out here because I don't know if you can tell, but it's really fucking hot. Everyone's in the shade. Oh, there's a grandma over there. But this place used to be a whole like park back when I was a kid, and now it's like, see, it used to be like kind of like this, but now it's all like built and it's all upgraded and futuristic now, and it's pretty cool. Cameras there, and I guess that's kind of it. Wow, okay. And what's so insane just walking through this area right now is I get like memories unlocked when I walk through this area, especially like this underpass area. Bro, like I was going up the elevator and it just clicked in with me. I'm like, holy shit, I used to do this when I was a kid, and I feel like I've been here as a kid, but like everything has changed. Like I've been in this area, I've been in that park, but nothing is what it was like 15 years ago here. Everything has changed. Like, it's so insane how there's so many international, KFC, Nike. Bro, this shit didn't exist in China 15 years ago, or at least not here. But here, Macca's, like, bro, 15 years ago, this shit didn't exist here. Oh damn, we're on the fucking wrong side of the road, bro. And this is the mall I'm talking about. You come down here, there's literally just places selling clothes, dairy, glasses, and then there's a whole like restaurant area over here. Like, they sell food here, food, and it's essentially just a whole mall in an underpass, because this is literally just an underpass crossing from one place to another. And bags, like, I don't know, I've never seen this anywhere else in the world. Plus, I haven't traveled much around the world, but I feel like I've been to a fair share of my countries, and I haven't seen anything like this before. And nice, here we are. Elevator's not working, so we gotta boost it past. And look, we were just on that side, and now we're on this side, right next to the Macca's you just saw. It's a Uniqlo there. Like, Uniqlo didn't exist in China 15 years ago. Like, it's honestly just crazy how much this place has changed. So we're at underpass number 3 right now, and I've realized that each underpass serves its own purpose. So like right now, this underpass is all like phones, electronics, GoPros, cameras. It's all like these kind of things. And the last one we were at was more like food and clothes. Another one was more like food and clothes. And this one is, yeah, definitely more like electronics, which is pretty crazy. That's like iPhone, more iPhones, more phones. I don't know if these are real iPhones or fake iPhones, but it looks like this place has crumbled. It looks like the place I'm trying to go, oh no, that's not crumbled. They're just doing repairs. I thought those were like rocks over there or some shit, but no. We're going up this way anyway, so it's all good. So we just got here to the place that I walked like 30 minutes for, and this is kind of, I don't really know what it's known for, but I'm assuming it's the architecture, and this is the architecture that we're looking at. And honestly, it kind of reminds me of a bit of Japanese architecture. I don't really know if I'm just like assuming that it's similar, but it does look very similar. I think it's because it's clean and very simplistic, minimalistic and clean. That's what it reminds me of Japanese architecture. But I think this whole street, this is just the start of it. This is the entrance, and I think it goes all the way down, and we can have a look. Oh, there's like a little, let's not get run over here, mini street here where people are eating. I don't know what they're eating, but they look like they're drinking beer, drinking tea, and it's kind of just like very nice. Oh, restaurants. restaurants, clothing, bamboo seats. Very nice. I really don't know what I'm doing down here. I'm not hungry just yet. Souvenir shops. I think this is it. It's more just like food, piss, and food, you know? Waiting here, I guess. This is what it looks like. And they wrap the wontons in front of you guys. And look how they sell it. It's like 29.8. And I think it's per 500 grams. So it's not about number of wontons, it's about the weight. And what weighs in a wonton is the meat. So you're paying for the meat, which is a good sign. They have English here, pork dumplings with corn, pork dumplings with mushroom, pork wonton with mushrooms and water chestnut. So it looks pretty good. Alright. I mean, you come in here and you look up there, what does it say? Rank number one. So 2019, 2021. I don't know what the difference between the left and the right one is, but it should be all good. All the food lined up. That looks like they make it fresh, bro. Like they make all these foods fresh. And she's picking up dumplings right now. And I got recommended it's a new type of dumpling they're selling here. And she's like, it's very like fresh. So I was like, fuck it. Let's eat that shit up, bro. 这个好。
那你说嘛，我给你
帮我一下。
你要多少？
帮我一下，我随便，我可以吃一点辣的。
少热一点辣椒嘛哈。要不要油？我先把辣椒给你舀来。要不要油辣椒？
可以。She's putting in a lot of chili, bro.
你要不要这个？大蒜。
这是可以。
蒜蓉。
试一下。
给它舀一点点。
It's ginger. They're putting in some ginger in there.
这个要不要？
可以，12根对不对？
对。
可以。
12根。
This is local to Guiyang.
这要不要醋？
可以。
酱油。
Yeah.
那你看，好了。
好，谢谢你。
哎，不客气。
She just made me the sauce. Oh yeah. So this is what I ordered. This is $6 in total. Let's try it. This is what it looks like. It looks like it's just steamed. Taste the sauce. Oh yeah, that's good. This is coconut and sugar cane juice. Oh, that's good. All right, let's try it. Let's try the first one with nothing on it. Fishy, but in a good way. Shrimp and fish. Sauce now. Let's try it. Drenched in the sauce. I love that numbing feeling, man. The spicy and numbing feeling, so good. The soup. Comes with a free soup. It's more of like a pork soup. I think it's a pork bone soup. I've kind of just been like chilling, taking my time eating this because I've never really had a fish dumpling before. Yeah, that's me. I'm full as fuck. That was pretty good. For $6, bro. Come here. They're making that shit for $6, bro. I think that's pretty worth it. Where if you want some good wontons, some good dumplings, come to Guiyang. But the CCP might capture you though, be careful. Oh. Alright.